I don't need the noise of the radio as I can hear the wind.
I picked peppermint, mentha pittorea. The colours of it, the dark green and the deep purple underneath, are just so striking. They remind me of tiny little trees. They look fragile, but they're very sturdy to touch. The smell reminds me of Woolworths pick and mix, spearmint shoes, and a Saturday afternoon going down with my pocket money. Its strength and resilience to thrive is what I think we should all try to do.
I chose Sweet Sicily, which is Myris ordata. It has the beautiful bushy look with sort of fern-like leaves and tiny, tiny white petals which change from the green flower buds. They also have really unusual flower buds as well, elongated, and what I like about the plant is it has, obviously it's a very long-lived plant. The flowers come out at different times, so it must go over weeks. It's got a beautiful smell of licorice. Now, licorice isn't my favourite, but the smell of licorice all sorts reminds me of my dad, which they were his favourite sweets, so it's something that really appeals to me, and I would imagine if it's made into a drink, yeah, if you like licorice, I know dandelion and burdock is licorice flavour, so I'm sure that would be something.
The flowers will sing when the sun dances with them. Heather and rosemary both did help me relax, but the rosemary made me feel woken, as it had a more stronger and different sensation to it. Such a small flower, but very powerful, and when not in flower, an evergreen all year round.
And the trees blow and the clouds drift by. Santolina rosmarinifolia, chosen for green and with yellow button flowers, plasticky, soft and rubbery, and it has unusual texture, unusual leaves, a rosemary soft scent, and it is spiky-ish.
Peaceful purple, peaceful purple, peaceful purple people petals. People petals, peaceful purple, peaceful purple.
smell of flowers as we gently breathe in.
I don't need the noise of the radio, as I can hear the wind